If you're new to investing in Canada, this video will walk you through everything step by step. We'll answer the most important questions beginners have, in a simple and practical way. Why do I want to invest? Let's start with the most important question. Why invest at all? In Canada, keeping all your money in a regular savings account usually means your money grows slowly, while inflation quietly reduces its buying power over time. Investing allows your money to work for you instead of sitting still. People invest to reach long-term goals like retirement, buying a home, financial independence, or simply having more flexibility in the future. Investing is not about getting rich quickly. It's about building wealth steadily over time. How do I invest? Investing is simpler than most people think. At its core, investing has 3 steps. You choose an account, you choose an investment, and you contribute consistently. Many beginners feel overwhelmed because they try to do too much at once. The key is to keep your strategy simple and easy to follow. What should I invest in? For most beginners, the best place to start is diversified ETFs. An ETF is a collection of many investments bundled together. Instead of buying one company, you buy a small piece of many companies at once. This diversification helps reduce risk and makes investing more stable over time. If you're just starting out, it's usually best to avoid day trading, stock picking based on social media, or investing in things you don't fully understand. Simple, diversified investments often outperform complicated strategies in the long run. There is no one-size-fits-all investing plan. Before investing, ask yourself a few key questions. What is this money for? How long will I invest it for? How comfortable am I with market ups and downs? If your goal is long-term, like retirement, you can usually handle more short-term fluctuations. If your goal is short-term, like a down payment soon, you may want to take less risk. Your investing strategy should match your goals, your timeline, and your comfort level. Where can I invest? In Canada, you invest through a brokerage or investing platform. There are 2 common options for beginners. The first is a robo-advisor. This option is more hands-off. You answer a few questions, and the platform builds and manages a diversified portfolio for you. The second option is self-directed investing. This gives you more control, but you choose your own investments. Both options are valid. Many beginners start with a robo-advisor or a very simple self-directed ETF strategy. When should I start? The best time to start investing is when you are financially ready. That usually means you're managing high-interest debt, and you have at least a small emergency fund. That said, waiting for the perfect time often leads to never starting at all. Starting early, even with a small amount, is usually more powerful than waiting and trying to time the market. How much should I start with? You don't need a lot of money to start investing. What matters most is consistency. You can start with an amount that fits comfortably into your budget. Even a small monthly contribution can grow significantly over time if you stay consistent. As your income grows, you can gradually increase how much you invest. The goal is to build the habit first. Let's walk through a simple example. Imagine you decide to invest a fixed amount every month inside a TFSA for long-term growth. You open an investing account, set up automatic contributions, choose a diversified ETF or portfolio, and invest consistently without reacting to short-term market movements. This simple approach removes emotion, builds discipline, and helps you stay invested for the long term. Investing doesn't need to be complicated. Start simple, stay consistent, and focus on the long term. If you want more Canadian-specific money tips, subscribe to the Canadian Money Guide and check out the next video. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice.